Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, knowing that you're doing something incredible for your health. What if I told you that simply adding 3 powerful fruits to your routine could help detox your kidneys and combat chronic kidney disease, CKD, faster than you ever thought possible? It's time to take charge of your kidney health, and it all starts with these fruits. Let's face it, kidney disease is on the rise, and many of us don't even realize we're at risk. Whether it's the stress of life, a poor diet, or genetics, we often neglect our kidneys until it's too late. Chronic kidney disease is sneaky. It creeps up on you, often causing damage that could have been prevented. But here's the good news. Nature has given us the tools we need to protect our kidneys, and it's simpler than you think. You don't need a fancy supplement or expensive treatment to start making a real difference. A few years ago, I was stunned when I learned that I was at risk for CKD. I felt scared, frustrated, and unsure of what to do. But I wasn't willing to give up without a fight. I started researching everything I could about kidney health, and that's when I discovered the incredible detoxifying power of certain fruits. Slowly but surely, I added them to my morning routine, and the changes were remarkable. My energy skyrocketed, my body felt lighter, and most importantly, my kidney function improved. It wasn't a miracle, but with consistency, the right fruits, and a bit of effort, I felt empowered and in control of my health again. I want to share that same knowledge with you. So, what are these game-changing fruits? First up, watermelon. This hydrating fruit is packed with water, about 92% of it, and is amazing for flushing toxins out of your kidneys. It's loaded with antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C, which reduce kidney inflammation and protect your organs from damage. You can enjoy fresh watermelon slices in the morning, or blend them into a refreshing juice. Next, we have apples. We've all heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But when it comes to kidney health, it's true. Apples are rich in fiber and contain natural compounds that lower blood sugar and cholesterol, 2 key factors that contribute to kidney damage. Eating an apple every morning is an easy and delicious way to support your kidney health. Last, but certainly not least, blueberries. These tiny sweet fruits are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help prevent kidney damage and reduce inflammation. Plus, they're great for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Add blueberries to your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or just enjoy them as a snack. As you picture incorporating these fruits into your mornings, think about how they'll not only nourish your kidneys, but transform your entire health. Watermelon's juicy sweetness, the crisp bite of an apple, and the burst of antioxidants from blueberries. Each one is a simple but powerful step toward a healthier you. But now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried these fruits before, or do you have a favorite kidney-friendly fruit of your own? Drop a comment below and share your experiences or questions. I'm here to help, and together we can learn more about how to keep our kidneys and our bodies strong. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, small changes lead to big results. By starting your mornings with these fruits, you're taking charge of your kidney health, and your body will thank you. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.